back to my channel. Today I have an adorable boy baby shower design that you are absolutely going to love. You can definitely change the colors of the balloons to make it a girl's baby shower, gender neutral, or even a gender reveal, guys. Oh my gosh. Just, let your imagination flow. I'm telling you, you can make this whatever you would like. You're gonna love it. All right, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and share at the end of this video. All right, let's get started. Here we go. All right, guys, this baby shower design is mostly going to consist of this beautiful cloth decal that I got from Etsy. It was a little bit on the pricey side because it is so big and because it's a cloth decal, which means that you'll be able to use it over and over again. All you have to do is peel it off, place it on, peel it off, place it on multiple times. So you get plenty of uses for this. And by the way, the hot air balloon, you're not even going to be able to see it at the end of it because it's going to be covered with balloons, okay? But that's okay. You're still going to love it and it's going to look amazing. For this design, you're going to want your balloons to stick above your backdrop, and in order for that to happen and have that floating effect, you're going to use a project display board that you are going to glue behind the backdrop. So what I'm going to do now is open the board and place the hot air balloon right over it. I'm only going to use half of it. Okay, so the balloon is going to be halfway on top of the board, and then I'm going to cut around it. You can also choose to use foam board. I decided to use the poster board because it would be easier to cut with scissors, and I just didn't want to use the craft knife for this project because I am done scratching my table. Also, don't worry about cutting the board perfectly because it's going to be covered by balloons anyway. Now I'm going to remove the board from the decal and I'm going to glue the board on the backdrop. And what I want to do here is place my cardboard right here in the middle, which means that I'm going to measure these two sticks right here, which are 3 inches wide. And then I'm going to cut out a piece right here in the middle, 3 inches wide. Now I'm going to glue it on with hot glue. Now I'm going to go ahead and place the decal on. I blew up my balloons pretty small right now. They're more like 9-inch balloons, although they're 12 inches. And I'm going to alternate the blue and silver mostly, and I'm going to add a few white ones in between. And I'm going to be using my low temperature hot glue gun to glue them on. Now I'm going to add my 5-inch balloons to fill in some gaps. Alright, so I think I am satisfied so far, so I'm just going to leave it alone. I might touch it up a little later, but as of now, I love it the way it is. Let's move on. Now I'm going to place the elephant on the backdrop and the other decals that came with the order. So for the balloons that you see right here, don't look awkward and just laying there. I am going to tie the silver ribbon that I got from Party City, I believe, some time ago. So I can't really remember how much it was, but I'm pretty sure it was something like $2.99 or so. Use a little bit of hot glue to tie it to the top of the elephant. You can choose to leave the design as is, which is beautiful, or you can choose to add real balloons with strings on top of the decal balloons. All right, so there it is. You can obviously just purchase the elephant decal on its own, and then you can pretty much just add the balloons. I personally going to use it without the balloons sometimes, so I bought the entire thing. And I also like the shadow effect that the decal has behind the balloons. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought of my design. I totally love it. Let me know if you will use this technique for a future project, and make sure to share. Sharing is caring. If you know of a friend or family member that will love this for the baby shower, make sure to share with them at the end of this video. All right, guys, until next time, bye.